Hi, today I'm replacing windowsill. This windowsill was damaged because of the water leakage. It has silicone filling on the edges. Cut the silicone to loose wood. Cut silicone filling from the bottom as well. Wood is loose now, but there are few nails which holding a wood, so I will remove those nails as well. I am using lever, but you can use screwdriver or any other thing available to pull out wood. I can see the damage because of the water leak is pretty much bad. With the help of scraper, scrap any leftover silicone and then vacuum it. I am using sealant to fill the gaps and it will also block the air as well. After an hour when it completely dry, I cut out the extra filler. I got busy with some other stuff so didn't get a time to fix in the afternoon, so that's why I'm doing at night time now. I cut the new sill and it fit properly. You do not need to put glue or any wood adhesive. Only nail it and it is ready. If you notice, I'm not putting the nail straight down, I'm putting in angle so it will hold the wood for the longer time. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and give a feedback in the comment box. Goodbye.